Yeah, g'day, Trevor here from Star Partners. 19 Coolman Crescent, just got a lovely yellow sold sticker. Yeah, great campaign. We ran a 10-day marketing campaign, which took in the long weekend. So we opened the property on Thursday night to have offers all in by Saturday evening. Of course, we had 17 groups come through. The buyer didn't. The buyer actually was not able to make it all the way from Yaz on the day, so we did a quick video tour, showed them the property ahead of the open home. They then planned to come down on the Tuesday, so we held off with all the offers and they ended up being the successful buyer. So a very good campaign indeed. Sold in the asking guide price as well, so everyone's a winner. So if you're thinking about selling or would like one of these lovely yellow sold stickers on your property, maybe hit me up, give me a call. We'll talk about the process and how we managed to get a result done on the first opening weekend. I'm Trevor. I'll see you on the next one.